so to find out no more haruma to our first TM Dub vlog. It's our second day here in Hawaii, but it's our first action-packed day. So we're going to the Bishop Museum for more and for a Kaukau. Okay, so we have made it to our first destination. Ikone, we have found this cabinet where they are talking about the one and only Hawai'i, the kororo and the tiko and the whare. Like, where else do you go in the world other than New Zealand that has Māori stuff in it? That's cool. We're in Hawaii and we're learning about Māori stuff. I've never seen one of those in real life, only in Moana, the movie. Wow. What does it mean? What does it mean? Oh, true. That's a cool word. It looks like Hogwarts in here, to be honest. What's something interesting you have learned so far, Huirangi? Interesting? That they're very similar to us. What's something interesting you've learned so far?
They have moon phases, just like us. It's interesting making boots.
Okay.
We're about to go to Moana to go shopping and get a feed. We just got paid. Yeah, that's not recording. That's gonna go. It's not recording. It's not recording. Oh,
I know you want to.
Why does it say that up the escalators? Because everything is on the right in this country.
You know, it's actually really annoying. Like, why can't we just all agree to be on one side of the road? This is my desire.
Here we are, TM Dub at the beach, just after a hot day or something.
Oh, chicken! Hello, chicken! Hey guys! Anything to say, Matua?
Yeah, Fraser's got the biggest bombs in the world, we'll show you.
I'm here with Casey.
Hi guys! We are at Sherwoods in Oahu.
Look at this beautiful beach.
What's your name? Kachan. Or you can call me Kalamatahi. Kalamatahi? Yeah! What's your name? Kylan. Kylan?
Yeah, what's your name?
Kachan. I'm Aloha. Or you can call me. Is Kalamatahi easier for you?
Type of love never expire. Burns slow like a bonfire. Ask her where she on her way to. She said like
That's so hard, bro. Shout out. I'm Kamale. I'm in a sandwich. I want to go play rugby, but I'm not sure how to. He's black. If I'm allowed to, or if I'm going to mess up their mojo.
While we were wheeling, I interacted with this majestic looking young man. We're carrying on a pickaxe. Handed me a pickaxe and he says, come on brother, help me out. So to me that just touches my heart. What?
Don't forget our middleman Rico something.
Hey guys, I'm Hekuda.
When you look back, thank you for coming, and you guys are really fun to hang out with.
gave us spam.
Kia ora whānau! Welcome to day 4 of our Hawaiian trip. We're so excited. We just went to 7-Eleven and got the famous blueberries. We are at the Polyneisan Cultural Centre where we will be performing and experiencing
We're here to explore all the different Polynesian cultures, you know, Samoan, Hawaiian, even Maori. And that's what we're about to showcase at 3 o'clock. Yeah.
Where are you guys from, by the way?
New Zealand.
New Zealand? Everybody?
Yeah, everyone here.
Kia ora.
We are at the Māori Village.
At the Māori Village.
PCC.
In PCC. At PCC. Feeling excited.
Yeah.
Feeling ready. Post this one, Matua.
I'm getting home vibes, you know? How long has it been since you've been back to BG? My whole life. I've been dreaming to come back to this place. Because you've never been there? Nah. But we can, as you can see, we're walking across the road to the Hawai'i one. Yeah. We just have to see what that one's like.
So basically there's like a disc and you have to throw it in between those two po in the ground. And it's actually really hard.
Charles, how's it going? How's it going right now? How's it going right now? 3-1. How are you enjoying this game?
Oh, it's fun.
Who's your opponent? Who's your opponent? Alright. Is that it? Is that it? Yeah. We're running a tight schedule. We're about to perform. The tutors are both mad. But it's okay because we're gonna make up for the performance.
We feeling ready for mud.
Oh yeah.
Yes, we have the sunblock.
Kia ora, e te iwi. Oh, you can see yourself. Just putting some sunblock on, you know, because sunblock blocks the sun. E nāna, ke te haere, te katoa o tātou ki ngā mud mea.
At this, I don't see any mud.
Yeah. Okay, fair. Te mud. All I see is grass. We persevere, you know, o kia ururoatia.
Oh, it's amazing how everything works out.
Aloha, we're here at the Kuahakui Lo'i. Today we're cleaning weeds. It's been years since our family has come here, and today picking up the things that we don't want in the lo'i and making room for the kalo to grow and access sun, nutrients, and water.
Thank you.
I sing wouldn't be made without you. It's true. She's music to me. She's all that I know. Life's been a blessing since she came.
Making a broom.
She's music to me, like a beat of a song.
Very shocking actually that I'm cleaning. I'm a bit of a housemaid. I like to clean in the inside.
She's music to me. Yeah, yeah. She's music to me.
Kia ora, just finished my... Whoa! Working hard, working hard.
Dirty sweetie having a great
There's a spider on me.
I feel good, oi. I feel like content, like I help the community.
It was our duty as kaitaki of the land, kaitaki of the whenua. Dirty.
This isn't our whenua though.
But we're indigenous people. Itchy.
Not as dirty, didn't do as much work. Kua mutu, nā mahi tarong tēnei. Mō tēnei rā, I nāia nei, kei te haere mō te Kaukau, I think. Te hei mauri ora, kia ora I te iwi.
How are you feeling today on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'm feeling at about 9.5.
Beautiful! I love. What kind of energy are we bringing today?
We're bringing bestie energy.
We making new friends?
You know.
It's been a blessing since she came along. She's music to me, like the beat of a song. God knows that I've been waiting for so long. She's music to me, yeah, yeah. She's music to me, yeah, yeah. Oh.
I'm at the beach.